everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Tina, this is my husband
Bayu.
and this is our baby boy. What's your name?
Tudor Surya.
Frederick Tudor Surya, panggilnya?
Dido.
Dido.
Say hi to
okay.
camera. Hello. Hello
Hi everyone.
Hey everyone.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so today what are we going to do?
It's weekend and we decide to do some gardening and Dido
Yeah.
want to help us. Actually, it's a mommy hobby doing gardening.
That's true.
Okay,
So,
Dido, we ready?
Are you ready to help? You wanna do some gardening today?
Yes. Ini apa?
This is called,
Kau dua.
yeah, there are two. How many?
Kita
Two.
boleh pinjam enggak?
Of course you
Okay,
can.
let's go, Dido.
Let's go. We are gonna start with this one. So we have these two kind of plants. We have this little one that I like to call it grass
one,
because
this
I
one,
don't
this
know
one.
the actual name.
You need to do
And
this.
here we have one more that's called broccoli. Look, this is called broccoli, but it's not actual broccoli. What do you think about this?
It's
Okay.
It's yummy, mommy. Broccoli.
You wanna try to eat it? He's really gonna do it. Sorry, baby.
Yeah, let's.
So we're gonna start with this little kind of grass, okay? Are you ready, boys?
Yes.
Oh, this is going to be messy. Are you ready to be messy, Dido?
Yes.
Ready? It's your favorite hobby to be messy. Okay, so here, can you help me do this, please? Let's put out some. So we already prepared a line here where we are going to put it.
Dido berdiri di sini. Stand up here. Okay.
Up.
No. Here, Dido.
Facing here. You're, there you go. And
Stand up there.
nah.
Okay.
Kita going this.
No, he doesn't want. All right.
Okay, sit with Daddy here.
Okay.
Enggak,
So?
kita mau berdiri doang.
You want to stand?
Kapan sih mandi?
It's okay. Okay. Let's see.
Say, it's already, mommy.
Already ready, yeah. Okay, so can you please help me take this out from the plastic?
Oke.
How we are going to take it out?
Ini apa?
There's the root. It got roots. Look, like this. We're gonna do this. You take another one and help.
Nih. Wait. Look, show.
But don't break the roots. Let's show to the camera.
Daddy,
Hi friends, we are ready to take this out.
Daddy hold this. Dido, take the plastic. Go take plastic.
Pull it. Pull the plastic.
Hurry. Wow.
Wow, good job. Wow, look at these roots. Look at the roots, Dido. Wow.
Wow, duduk terus. Nanti mau duduk sendiri.
You wanna sit by yourself?
Yeah.
All
Kan
right.
main where?
This is yours. I put it here. And we need to open more. Here.
More Dido.
Yes, here.
Dido.
Sit with daddy.
Sit.
Okay.
Nih.
Sit with daddy.
Here. Okay.
And now you pull the plastic. But sit properly, please.
Slowly.
Nanti kena.
Wow, look at this. How are these called? Roots. Roots. Good job.
Kita mau pegang sendiri.
Okay.
Put it here.
Where?
Ah.
He said he wanna hold it by himself. It's fine. Don't worry. Dido, can you please make the hole bigger here on this side? Here, like this.
Yeah. But you don't need to stand here. You don't need to stand.
He doesn't like to touch the...
Wait.
Ow! Hey, no
no,
fighting
no.
with that.
No.
No, this is dangerous, baby. You need to make a hole, not to fight with me. Uh-oh, that was an accident. He doesn't want to touch the dirt. Okay, Dido.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
we need to open more. We got so many of this. Can you help pull again? The plastic only, yeah? We don't break the roots. The roots, the plastic we take out. Can you take it out, please?
Oke. Oh, ya kena.
Oh, it's okay. Help me, teamwork. Hooray! Good job.
Hurrah dulu, hurrah.
Hooray, Daddy.
Hooray,
No, hit your
Mommy.
hand, hurrah.
Hooray, Mommy.
How do you say hooray with your hands?
Let's go.
Hooray.
Hooray! Hooray!
Say to camera. Say camera.
Hooray!
Hooray.
Hurrah! If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Cak, cak.
Chuck chuck. What do you mean chuck chuck? It's not if you're happy and you know it chuck chuck chuck.
Okay, one more.
Plastic.
Masuk.
Daddy hold this.
Pull the plastic.
Dido
Who's
hold
gonna
it.
help me?
Dido hold it. Dido hold it. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Aku suka minta kotoran.
It's dirty, so he doesn't like to touch it.
Oh.
Wow, look at these roots are so big. Don't break it, so it's gonna be good. Okay. Daddy, can you help me with the...
Kata, already.
Okay. So in our family, we speak 3 languages. We speak English on a daily basis, Indonesian and Romanian. You want more? What happened? Can you talk? What happened? What do you need? Okay, you can. Wow. Good job. Oh, but I need help. Let's do some more.
Dido.
Are you busy there?
Yes, I'm busy.
What happened? What are you busy with? Here, Daddy, you can take some too. So we go faster. Be careful.
Ini,
You
Dido.
wanna help us?
Yuk.
Do you wanna
Let's
do
finish
some more
this.
gardening? Look, we still have a lot. I told you this is gonna be hard work.
Mami yang gede.
Mommy, the big one?
Yes.
Which
Itu yang
one?
kecil.
Oh, so you wanna work with a small one and Mommy with a big one?
Yes.
All right, can be. Wow, so our garden starts to look amazing, yeah. Do you like our garden?
Oh. Very good. Dido. Dido di sini duduknya. Duduknya di sini.
Come sit there next to
Kita
Daddy.
mau nunggu jongkok aja.
Yeah,
Yeah,
jongkok.
but here.
There.
Here.
Jongkok means sitting like this. It's a very Indonesian way of sitting. Hey, but it's rude to sit with the back at our viewers.
Sini Dido.
Sit like Daddy and like Mommy like this.
Or Dido sit
On
here.
the side.
Sit here. Dido sit here.
You
Come,
sit there.
go.
Nah, in Daddy's place. Good job.
Here. Yeah, sit.
Wow, it
Okay,
looks
okay, okay,
lovely.
Okay.
You wanna sit on Daddy?
Yes.
Good job. Oh, something is biting me.
Okay.
Kakinya.
Kakinya mana?
He really doesn't like to get dirty.
Okay. Okay.
But gardening is
Like this.
about muddy and getting dirty, and it's fun. We can take shower after.
Okay.
Look, you see how much I did already? These boys are just talking here. Can I get some help, boys?
Okay.
Okay, Mami.
How are you
Okay,
going
Mommy.
to help me, Dido?
Me.
You, with you, but by being here. Support.
See.
Oopsie. Say, you can do this, Mommy.
You can do.
Of course. Thank you, Dido.
Dido pull. Oh.
Wow. You see, it's not deep enough. Maybe, Dido, can I borrow one of these? No?
Give to Mami. This Mami. Give to Mami.
But now you know what we need to do? To open the I think here it's enough, yeah? Can I see there? Oh, you see, next to Daddy.
Just one more.
More. Oh, one more, yeah? All right.
Oh. Wait. Help Mami then.
Can
Mami
you
pull.
please help?
No.
Sorry. Oh, look what happened here.
Hurrah! It's
Hooray.
finished.
Not yet. Don't hurry up. We need to put a fertilizer now. Dido, let's do gardening the right way. Okay, so here we have the fertilizer. Not so fast, boys. Gardening is amazing. Okay, I will open it like this.
What is that, Mami?
Wow. Fertilizer is made out of animals' poop.
Okay.
It's cow poop.
Dido.
Or sheep or...
Dido put it there.
Ini cold poop.
Yeah.
That's called
So,
fertilizer.
so,
It's made
okay.
from poop.
Oh.
Made from poop.
Made from poop, yes. Can I have
Tata?
the shovel, please?
Udah?
It's called shovel,
Already,
right?
Dido?
You want to work with this?
Iya.
Are you done or no?
Dan.
Done, okay. He really doesn't like to be around dirt. It's okay. You're a man. You're a clean man.
So Dido already grumpy. I
He's
think
ready to get his lunch nap soon.
we will finish this
Tidak takut itu.
Offline.
Oh, fine, alright.
Oke. Thank you.
Hey, so no need to be scared. Mommy will do it.
Ya, Dida. Ya,
Help
saya
him
bye-bye.
get this.
Saya bye-bye ke kamera.
Bye-bye.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
everyone. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy seeing us and our little monster. See you next time.
Say bye-bye, Dida.
Bye-bye.
Oh, sleepy head.